Are you struggling with the F chord on the guitar, the full bar chord, or even the partial bar chord? Well, this little trick is going to help out a lot. And it's just all you got to do is substitute this F where you got to bar these first two strings. Now, I want you to work on this so you do get it eventually. But if you're struggling right now, here's a real simple fix. Just play the F major 7, 3, 2, 1, and then open first string. And then it works great if you got a song. Now I'll substitute the F major 7. As I mentioned, I do want you to get the F chord or the full bar chord. I do want to get to those, but for now, simple little trick is just playing that F major 7. That will help you out for now, especially on songs like I was doing there, La Bamba. All right, if you like that, leave a comment below. Appreciate you being here, and if you want to learn more, get better at the guitar, check out rocklikethepros.com.